Being an athlete translates to the kitchen. It just gave me the mentality of every day is game day. First passion was football. I still miss it, you know? So it's part of that feeling that I'm always chasing. I'm from Cleveland, Ohio. I'm cooking in a state that I'm not from, in a terrain that I'm not from. Sonoran food, which is a cuisine that I didn't grow up around. But when I came out here, I was introduced to it and I said, I understand this cuisine. It's soulful, it's heartful, it's soul food of the Southwest. It was such a natural fit, from the spice to the heartiness. You know, we're in the Sonoran Desert. It bridges the US and Mexico. You really get an opportunity to taste and chase that culture and those flavors. Nopales are from this earth and from this soil. Indigenous peoples were eating it forever. It grows out here in the desert in the arid conditions. It's tough, almost like grassy and like vegetal flavor profile. If it's raw, it's like very crunchy. If you like cook it for a bit, it's kind of like a meaty kind of bounce to it. There's so many different ways to prepare it. We're gonna use the nopal in a salsa. So we're gonna do like charred tomatillos. We're gonna throw some chilte pins in there, some of the chicatanas, some of the ants. And then we'll just throw the nopales in there, like really small dice, just for like a nice crunch. And then panela asada, which is a grilling cheese. Throw on the grill, get it a little crispy. We're gonna throw that in a taco with a beautiful Sonoran flour tortilla. And let's throw that right on top. Easy. It's a great vegetable because it can go sweet, it can go savory. We're gonna do nopal ice cream. You cut it up and toss it in a little sugar, salt, and lime. Blend it up. And I like to top it with queso fresco and sesame seeds, olive oil, some flake salt. It's a nice, herbaceous, easy, semi-sweet ice cream. It's not traditional Mexican food, but it is authentic to us, to who we are, to where we're at. Where we are is an ingredient. Who we are is an ingredient. Time, place, who I am right now, those are the ingredients. To find those correlations and be able to tell those stories and cultivate those feelings on the plate, whether it's from the food or the ambiance or the team, is so, so special. So I'm always chasing that feeling personally.